Onion harvesting is one of the most enjoyable activities in my vegetable garden. Growing onions brings a deep sense of reward and satisfaction. Watching the green leaves slowly transform into bulbs beneath the soil feels almost magical. Each time I pull an onion from the earth, it's like discovering a small treasure. The process teaches patience and delivers beautiful results. Best of all, nothing needs to go to waste after harvesting. We've previously used onion peels to create a strong, liquid fertilizer. But this time, we're trying something different. Instead of discarding the green, leafy tops, which many people throw away, we'll turn them into something incredibly useful. These leaves are rich in nutrients, making them a great ingredient for a powerful liquid fertilizer. So don't toss them. Watch closely to see how you can make your plants thrive using just onion leaves. The fertilizer made from onion leaves is full of essential nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and sulfur. Nitrogen promotes lush green growth. Potassium strengthens the plant and supports root development. Sulfur helps build proteins in the plant system. When your plants receive this fertilizer, it's like serving them a complete and balanced meal. They'll grow faster, become greener, and produce flowers or fruits more quickly. Plus, because the ingredients are all garden-friendly, it enriches the soil over time. After harvesting your onions, take a sharp cutter and trim off the green tops. Instead of throwing them away, chop them into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the quicker they'll break down in water. Place the chopped leaves into a clean bucket or container. Add clean rainwater. If rainwater isn't available, regular tap water works too, though rainwater is softer and more natural. To encourage fermentation, toss in a handful of good garden soil. This soil introduces beneficial microbes that help break down the leaves and release nutrients. Stir the mix well with a wooden stick or spoon. Cover the container with a lid or breathable cloth to keep insects out while allowing air to circulate. Set the container in a shaded spot, like a corner of your garden or balcony, and let it sit for about 10 days. Over this time, the leaves will decompose and the water will become rich with nutrients. After 10 days, the liquid will darken and develop a strong smell. That means it's ready to use. Always dilute the fertilizer before applying it. Mix 1 part of the onion leaf liquid with 10 parts of clean water. Pour this diluted mix near the base of your plants every 7 to 10 days. It provides a steady, gentle feed for all types of plants, vegetables, flowers, or indoor pots. The nutrients soak into the soil and boost plant health over time. It's like a vitamin shot for your garden. Making onion leaf liquid fertilizer is a simple and effective way to recycle kitchen waste into something valuable. It's free, easy, and delivers noticeable results. You'll be nourishing your plants while keeping your gardening practices sustainable and natural. Give it a try and watch your plants flourish. For more fertilizer tips and gardening ideas, don't forget to check out our channel. Like, share, and subscribe for more.